Hey everybody, this is Thomas Talon at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 21 SLX Tri-Toon with a Yamaha 150. Guys, this is a black panel boat. Again, it is a Tri-Toon with the SPS package, all 25-inch pontoon logs. Guys, we're going to walk aboard, take a look at the inside. Looking at the bow, you'll see that this boat does have docking lights and nav lights up front. Nice bow entry door with full piano hinging. Full Semtex material. Portable cup holders. This boat has an L-shaped chase lounge. This is probably my favorite layout. Of course, when you're driving, sitting right here, you've got the fellowship of having 3 or 4 people sit right here and talk with you. So I like the openness of it. I like the fellowship of it. This is my favorite layout. Great boat, guys. Portable cup holders. Plenty of storage underneath all the seating. There's your full cover. Storage underneath the console. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see you've got mechanical gauges with a Garmin Striker 4 in the center there. Upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo. Looking at the stern, transom walk-through door. Again, at this angle, it gives you a nice little area here to stand and prep water skis. Your inner tube has a single bifold ladder. Yamaha 150 with ski tow bar. Again, guys, this is a 21 SLX. This boat's performance is amazing with the 150 Yamaha. I love this floor plan, love the colors. Excellent boat. You can come see it today at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, or give us a call. Again, I'm Thomas Talon. Thank you. Have a great day.